what I like the most here is this spot because you know if you know me, you know that I like to be like do a role play and here have a lot of stuff like the scene that I can do role play. Like this, I can pretend like I just write a tuk-tuk here, like or if I don't wanna like, I can just be like a princess, passenger princess here, like and also after this, I can go like waiting for the train here. Like pretend like I'm just waiting for someone to come by the train. Or else I can be like buy some lottery like give me some money, something like that. Or I just come here with another man which I don't know who is it. Maybe he is gonna go, but who cares? And then after this, we can go to another scene. Let's go. Come follow me here. They have a salon but it's closed. But look here. Before I go to the train, I can buy a ticket here. I can be like, oh, who's gonna come right now? Is it Daniel gonna come? It's about too late. Like, I'm gonna buy a ticket. Someone buy a ticket here. I have to wait for the queue. Look, but who cares? Then, oh, the train is coming. Follow the train. Like this, and I love to do role play. If you guys enjoy to do the thing like me, I think you guys should come here. Okay?